I'm Todd from Marinemax in Panama City Beach. This is a 2017 Grady-White 335 Freedom. This boat's one owner, is absolutely loaded with electronics. Twin Raymarine 16-inch glass screen displays with touchscreen and buttons. It's also got autopilot, remote spotlight, and FLIR night vision camera. This is a great boat for cruising or fishing. Both cabins are air conditioned, as is the whole Helm area. And yes, it works very well. It's also got a refrigerated fish box to save you on ice, runs off the generator, and a great either serving area or bait station, depending on if you're fishing or cruising. Includes a refrigerator, stainless steel storage drawers, hot and cold water. This is a very comfortable boat, ready to take you and your family to do whatever you'd like. Powered by 300 Yamahas, which are considered one of the most reliable outboard engines available, the performance of this boat is astounding. Call Marinemax in Panama City Beach. Schedule a time to come see this boat for yourself.